Many cities come to life at night with festive light displays, and in this video I'm going to show you two different approaches to capture them. One, a conventional look down the street but taking care of a composition, and the second, taking an unusual angle for a slightly different approach. When photographing festive lights, it's all about your position and the timing. I've waited until much later at night. I don't want any natural colour from the sky spoiling all of that beautiful artificial colour. The lights up here are illuminating the ground and the walls to either side. It's getting quite dark. It's going to be quite a long exposure, so there's a big chance of camera shake. So to minimise that, because unfortunately there's no ledge for me to lean on here, so a trick you can do is angle your elbows tight against the side of your body, and then maybe even use a self-timer to trigger the shot. So I can now press the button and just hold the camera steady. I've also moved backwards and forwards very slightly in order to make sure that this top row of lights really does touch almost the top of the frame. If you go a little bit further forward or a little bit further back, then you end up with too much empty space. Often photographing festive lights at night involves just pointing your camera or your phone down a street, but sometimes a much more exciting composition is directly above your head. I really like the look of this giant bauble, so I've positioned myself directly underneath it where I can see it as a full circle, a full sphere, and it looks just so striking against the dark black sky. But the real trick is to turn around and see how the buildings look as you change the angle. I particularly like this angle because this building in front of me here is pointing up at the ornament and it's giving you some sort of leading line. It just makes it a bit more attractive.